Human Skeletal, Chapter 4. Today our topic is muscles. Muscle is a soft tissue found in most animals and human beings. Muscle cells contain protein filaments of actin and myosin that slide past one another, producing a contraction that changes both the length and the shape of the cell. Muscles produce various movements in our body. Our body consists of about 600 muscles. They are attached to the bones by tissues called tendons. Each muscle causes a particular movement. Interesting fact, jaw muscles can provide about 200 pounds of force to bring the back teeth together for chewing. Types of muscles. There are three types of muscles in our body. Here you can see a very clear picture of tendon which is attached our muscle to the bone. Tendon is a tough band of fibrous connective tissue that connects the muscle to the bone. Earlier we said that there are three types of muscles in our body. Number 1, voluntary muscles. These muscles work under our control. We can use them according to our will. These muscles have stripes on them, hence they are also called straight or striped muscles. You can see in the picture left side that there are stripes on the muscles. The muscles present in our arms, legs, feet are voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles, also known as skeletal muscle, as they are attached to the bones. Involuntary muscles. Those muscles which do not work under our control are called involuntary muscles. They work on their own and are controlled automatically by the brain. Muscles of the stomach, food canal, and blood vessels are involuntary muscles. They are also called smooth or unstriped muscles. There are another type of skeletal muscles which is called cardiac muscles. These muscles are present in our heart. They are not attached to any bone. The muscles of the heart keep on working continuously throughout our lives. These are very strong muscles, hence they do not get tired. Cardiac muscles work on their own, therefore they are involuntary in their function. So, cardiac muscle is also involuntary muscle because they are work on their own and they never get tired. Now here is a very clear picture of types of muscle. Picture number 1, cardiac muscle, which is present in our heart. Number 2, skeletal muscle. Generally it is shown in our hand, leg, etc. And number 3, smooth muscle. Now, working of muscles. Muscles function to produce force and motion. They are primarily responsible for maintaining and changing posture, locomotion, as well as movement of food through the digestive system via peristalsis. Muscles are attached to bones by tendons and help them to move. Our muscles work by contracting and expanding. When a muscle contracts, it shortens itself, and when it expands, it enlarges itself. There are two sets of muscles in each movable joint. One set pulls the bone up and the other one pulls the bone back. When a muscle contracts, it gets shorter and so pulls on the bone it is attached to. When a muscle relaxes, it goes back to its normal size. Muscles can only pull, cannot push. For example, when we lift something, the muscles in the biceps contract and get shorter. Now the hinge joint of the elbow moves. When we move the arm down again, the triceps shorten and the biceps become longer. Interesting fact, the only bone in the human body that is not connected to another is the hyoid, a V-shaped bone located at the base of the tongue. Now, a very end of the chapter, that is care of bones and muscles. We should take proper care of our bones and muscles. To keep our bones strong, we should take food which is rich in calcium. Milk, bananas, and eggs are rich in calcium. Right posture and proper physical exercise also play a very vital role in keeping the bones and muscles strong. So, in short, what is the functions of muscles? Muscles protect our body, they cover most of our skeleton. Muscles also cover most of the organs inside our body. Muscles are like a layer of padding. They surround your abdomen, chest, and back and protect your internal organs. Thank you. Go through the chapter properly. And if you have any doubt or any query, you can ask in the group or comment section.